Probably looking like a crazy woman. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing our makeup. Mainly we're going to be focusing on contour, so I'm going to Google the most suitable contour for my face and we're gonna try it out and see how it looks. I'm just gonna go do my eyebrows off camera. I will be back, guys. And I don't know, I kind of think that I fit into the oval category, so we're gonna be using the oval. We're gonna be using the oval contour guide, I guess. So yeah, let's see how that works. Let's just cover all the little marks on my face. You see all that? And we have a lot, so we're just going to blend that in. Let's start with the eyebrow. Bruh, not me talking to y'all, but just gum in my mouth the whole time. Or they can tell me something. Better. My apologies, that probably was not a pleasant sight. So for the rest, I'm gonna just take up my beauty blender and just pack that in. A little orange. That's okay. Okay, so let us go in with some foundation. NYX in the shade medium beige. Just put some on the. Oh, can y'all see my top? I'm wearing a top. Oh my god. Y'all thought I was naked this whole time. I'm wearing a top. I'm not naked. I'm not naked. Y'all see all that makeup off on my face? I swear I just never put on that much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take my setting spray and spray my beauty blender. So I'm gonna just spray my beauty blender and just squeeze it. And we'll put some more on my forehead. Let us pop that in. Next, let's do some eyeshadow. This is a part that I've been waiting for, so let's do it. My oval face, we're supposed to have a circle right in the middle here. So a circle The eyes, of course. Can this work? The highlight on here. Like that. And then we go in with the browns. I'm kind of scared. So I like to do it like this. The next side. Then right underneath this, they want us to do like the same thing. So yeah, this is literally all the contour they said to do for the wolf shape face. But I don't know, I feel like, you know, yeah, let's just contour the nose really quick. We're gonna use the same concealer in the shade Espresso, and we're just gonna recreate the nose because we don't want any. Okay, we're not recreating the nose, we just get a nose bridge because I clearly don't have a nose bridge. So creating a nose bridge. So let's do that. Am I looking like I have a nose already, or is it just me? I mean, like I have a nose bridge already, a nose bridge, not a nose. I know I have a nose. Okay, so we did that. I also like to fill in here with some brown contour. And then I like to do my jawline. So I'm gonna just take this here and just highlight my jawline. Like that. So we technically just add into the thing because we want it to be like snatched. Let me just put a little bit of, like this gonna create the illusion that I have a smaller forehead because my forehead is huge. Okay, like that. Let's just fill in the blanks. Let's use this here. Okay, like, you know, that should be. Let's just go on and blend that in. I'm gonna start with blending the darker shades and then blend the light ones into the dark shade, you know what I mean? So let me just start with the top. Oh, I did not even wet my sponge. Okay, so now that we did that, we could probably looking like a crazy woman. Okay, so I feel like I want to do my inner eyes and just bake it, then blend the dark into it, I guess. So let me just get some setting powder. This is the setting powder that we're using today. I don't know, I'm gonna set one at a time because I feel like let's blend in the other side. Okay, let's set that as well. Still looking hella crazy. But yeah, let's just move into the other. Okay. Let's do the other side. Let's blend the jar line. So let's work on those. Set. Oh my god, where's the brush? Where is the brush? Okay, let me just blend that real quick. I know all you see that nose bridge, and let's go in with this CoverGirl True Blend palette. We're gonna use a bronzer, this one in the bottom here. I think we're gonna be using, I already used this eyelash, the most dramatic eyelash from my eyelash line. This is here. It's called Dramatic, I think. So yeah, it's 109, and y'all see how dramatic that is. I kind of felt like I wanted to add some highlight to my eyelid. Okay, this actually feels pretty cute. Let's continue with the highlight. I'm just gonna use the highlight right at the top here. So let's just adjust this. Let's do some lips first. We're going to line our lips with a brown pencil. Now we're going to go in with some red lipstick. Yes, lip cream. Some jewelry so it could be super cute, and I will be ready. So guys, this is the final product. I cannot talk with lipstick on my lips without getting them on my teeth, so if you see red on my teeth, please ignore it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my god, what's going on there? Enjoy this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so y'all see notified every time I post a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.